Mason and Harper Charleston is being promoted as a small, family-run boutique with a heartfelt backstory and closing sale discounts. But the real question is whether it's actually a genuine local brand or just marketing designed to build trust. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. The website does present itself as a mother and son boutique shutting down with a final sale, which is a common narrative used by many online fashion stores. However, here's the key point. There are strong signs that this is not a real local Charleston boutique, but a high-risk online store. There are some surface positives. The site includes a detailed emotional brand story, customer testimonials, a professional-looking storefront. But these are easy to replicate and often used in marketing funnels. There are several major red flags. First, extremely low trust signals. Independent analysis gives the site a very low trust score, around 12 out of 100, labeling it untrustworthy and risky. Second, very new website. The domain was created only recently in 2026, which is unusual for a long-running boutique with history. Even mixed checks reflect uncertainty. Some tools say it's probably legit but very new and low traffic. Others strongly warn to stay away due to risk signals. So, is Mason and Harper Charleston truly local? Most likely not. The bottom line is this. Mason and Harper Charleston show strong signs of marketing-driven online store using a fake or exaggerated local boutique story. While it may deliver products, the risk of low quality, misleading branding, or poor customer support is high. If you're looking for genuine local brands, this doesn't appear to be one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.